Let's see what we get here. Whoa!
Thank you.
Whoa! Thank you. President Kennedy come here. What was that? Did you speak? You've made yourself known.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Have you been here a long time? A believer in God? Oh, did you hear that?
Oh yeah, I did. That was loud, that.
Okay, can you come close with yours? I swear to someone who said my phone. Right everyone, we're at this creepy abandoned church again, which I have done before. I'll put a link up there somewhere so you can check that video out when I first done this place. So yeah, I've returned again. I've got Stacey. There's a few of us here. So yeah, we're going to see what we get here this time round. Because last time we was here, we had some stuff. Whoa!
What was that?
Last time we was here, we had some stuff. Whoa!
What was that?
Stuff. Did you hear that in the corner?
Yeah, I did.
Spiritual crap going. Can't breathe. Come up with a few things. Who's talking? Childs. Few words on there. Did you guys hear that noise? Jordan. Anyway, gonna keep the volume down because every window is smashed in this place. The vandals have been in here and wrecked it. What was that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah. What was that?
Did you hear that?
Yeah. Shush, Kirk. Did you hear that, Steve?
What was that?
I ain't got a clue. But this place always give me the creeps.
Oh, what's going on carpets? Please, something in my hand.
Anyway, a REM pod over there.
Oh, Jay,
Yeah?
I just said that I felt a breeze by my hand and that light flickered.
Did it? You had a hit?
Yeah.
Anomaly. You find it, Jack?
Anomaly? Yeah, is everyone's phone off? Yeah, good, yeah? I'm just going to turn this on flight mode. Right, my phone's on flight mode. Make sure of that.
Still on glass.
Everyone else's phone on flight mode?
I've got my phone with me, mate, so...
Yeah, everyone else? Yours as well?
Yours in the bag.
Okay, is it on flight mode?
Yeah, it is.
Right. Okay, let's see what we get here. Whoa!
Thank you.
Whoa! Thank you. Okay, let's see what we get here. Whoa!
Thank you.
Whoa! Thank you.
That was good, that.
Oh, you just had a hit on that as well.
Yeah, I told you I felt a breeze on my hand.
Yeah, this is active here. Can you set that off again, please? Are you someone that's from this place? That took control? A priest? A pope?
It's gone really cold.
Yeah, hasn't it?
Yeah, I thought that.
Scratch.
Scratch. Is there more than one of you here? We're going to introduce ourselves to you. Did you do that?
I think it might have been that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We come with peace, respect, love and light. And we've come to communicate with you in a respectful way.
Would you help? If I just said, Jack,
Would you help?
would you help?
Can you come forward again? Can you touch the equipment again, please? Like you just did. You've made yourself known.
Did you hear that?
Yeah. You've made yourself known.
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
If that was you, could you tap again, please?
Can you tap again, please, if you're here?
It's like on my leg.
There's something here for sure.
Yes.
100%. I feel it. I know it's here. It's gone really cold.
If you are here, could you touch Rainford again for us? Middle of the room.
Are you something that's been brought in from worship? Are you not supposed to be here? I just got a pain in my gut when I said that.
Yeah, my stomach. Maybe the noise in my stomach.
Yeah, I did.
Same time.
What?
Touch my leg a minute.
Did you? I think someone's brought it in. Do you know what I mean? Not like a part of the place.
If you are here, could you touch the ball on the floor for us?
Are you something like demonic or evil?
Charlie.
That's the third time that said that, isn't it? Help.
Yeah, I'm keeping an eye on it.
Do you need help? Would you like help? If so, touch the REM pod.
The REM pod is the device that you touched before. That thing you made go off, that made that noise. It's in the centre of the room, with an aerial.
Is there a priest here?
Turn vicar. Is there a vicar here?
Can you make a loud sound for us, please? Can you bang on something so we can hear you? Have you been here a long time?
Did you do that?
Yeah, I had something.
A tap.
Are you like lost and confused? Dance. Another tap. Do you hear that?
Yeah,
Don't know
I
if that's a drip though, on something from outside. What do you think?
Mm.
Could be. Good. Ooh, no.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh, thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Ooh, thank you. Are you a man?
You a lady? A child?
An animal? When that went off, I was saying the Lord's Prayer in my head.
Yeah. What's your?
What do you have in your head?
I said the Lord's Prayer in my head.
Do you mind us being here?
Do you want us to leave?
Is this a Christian church or is this a Catholic church?
I'm a woman. It's come up down there.
So you're a lady priest?
Yeah, Joe.
What?
It's a Dorothy, all that.
Are you a lady
Dorothy.
priest? If so, touch that REM pod just so we know.
Are you making all them noises?
Like Jewish? That's not Catholic, is it?
No.
Jewish? Are you Jewish? Religion? Did you hear that?
Yeah,
A tap.
there was something. Are you a child?
Are you a mother? A father?
You a person of the cloth? A believer in God? Oh, did you hear that?
Oh yeah, I did. That was loud, that.
A believer in God? Oh, did you hear that?
Oh yeah, I did. That was loud, that.
Did you hear that though?
Not Pope. You said Pope earlier, didn't you?
Yeah.
Is there Pope people here?
Not really. Did President Kennedy come here? What was that? Did you speak?
Fine.
No, but there was a noise with that one there. That's why I don't want you speaking. Was there a noise when he...
Yeah.
There was a noise when he spoke at the same time.
Like a boom when you
Boom,
said.
that's it.
Yeah, like boom.
Boom.
When you said about
God, do you want to throw it
Yeah.
again to debunk it?
Uncle.
No. That's... President Kennedy come here? What was that? Did you speak? President Kennedy come here? What was that? Did you speak? Look. Can you do that again?
Touching you.
Wait, no, I'm not touching you.
That was a fucking loud... I don't know, because as Kirk spoke, at the same time there was a thud, wasn't there?
Yeah, it's when you said the Kennedy thing.
Yeah,
You know?
when you said that, it's like a thump, like a thud or something.
You went boom.
Ask again, Jay.
Please, can you try and do that again? As we are confused that we heard you. Did President Kennedy come here?
It's gone really quiet.
Yeah, hasn't it?
It's like it keeps fluctuating, isn't it?
Yeah,
Oh, did you hear that?
yeah.
Don't be scared. Come forward. We're not here to harm you in any way. We come with deep respects.
I always feel like with churches, spirits are very limited on what they can do. Is it because it's like it's a house of God? Does
Could be.
that make sense?
Does make, yeah, it does, yeah.
It's like the activity's a lot more slower and calmer than anywhere else. It's like laid back kind of
I
thing.
don't feel like there's anything
Nothing heavy.
bad here.
No.
No, because it's, you know, a church.
But it does give you the creeps, this place though, doesn't it? It's a proper creepy one.
No, it don't really remind me of a church. It reminds me of a
No,
hall.
it doesn't remind me of a church. It reminds me of a hall.
Yeah.
It don't remind me of a church at all.
Don't know why, but it just does.
So it's protect. Protect on the floor.
Are you still protecting this place?
Holy Spirit. Talker.
You still looking after it? I bet you can see it how it was back in the day when it was all nice, can't you? Because you're still on that level.
I think someone's drawn a penis on the floor.
Oh.
Everywhere we go, there's a
Some
lot.
people have just got no respect.
No. But they're a common thing to see, isn't they? Everywhere you go, someone has to
Yeah,
draw a penis.
the fees and-
Jay?
I mean, look at that behind you.
Well, that.
Yeah, wake up, COVID is a hoax.
That's the alright. That's why I say people die from it.
What's that up there in the walls?
Well, it's died out right through the
In front of you?
Yeah,
There on the
more
wall, up
back.
there.
Before it's a
It's
text,
on the
it's
wall.
wall.
I don't know what it is.
Am I dead? That's another. I said that again. Am I dead?
Yeah, Jay, if you look, before it said protect, it said war.
War, yeah, war,
You are.
protect.
In spirit.
Do you know that you're dead?
That was a tap then.
You think so?
Yeah, I heard the tap.
Do you know that you're dead? Do you know that you're dead?
Could you do that again? Please. Do you know that you've passed?
Are you coming through this device on the floor? Are you telling us that you're dead? What's up with you, Mum?
Oh, I wonder what that was down there on the floors.
You see something?
I did, I thought I did.
What?
Down there on the floor. What's that down there on the floor?
What do you mean on the floor?
What do you mean that?
That bin bag.
Oh, that.
It's very peaceful here though in ways, isn't it? And then
We're not there.
there's something here for sure. Definitely something here. 100%. There's no way that REM pod would have gone off like that. And we've had some noise, and I'm absolutely certain there was a thud over Kirk's voice.
It was boom.
Yeah, when I said about President Kennedy.
Yeah.
Because he did.
It sounded like it was
He did
coming
come
from
here.
upstairs, didn't it? Like a boom. Did you
I don't
hear
know,
it?
it sounded more like over the back
Yeah.
of the room.
I don't know, it sounded like...
Right over there somewhere.
You know when we was at the other place that time, the house investigation, we felt like it would just come towards us. That's what it felt like when I heard the thump. Like
Yeah.
a rush, you know?
Yeah, I know what you mean. Do you want us to leave, Spirit? It's come up great. We'll try the spirit box, shall we?
I just seen a flash over there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Whereabouts? Are you sure it went the lights? Might have been the car lights, Mum. Car just went past.
I think we should have a spirit box, yeah.
Right, I'm going to try the spirit box now, people. See what we get on that. There's definitely something here,
What's that?
but
It's me.
Okay.
yeah, it's just one of those that likes to sit there, watch what you're doing, that kind of vibe, innit? You say the right things, I'll answer. That kind
Yeah.
of thing, you know? Right.
Yes.
A.
I'll hit the phone.
Yeah, more being said on there. Right, we're going to try the spirit box. Let's see what we get. Stay tuned. Enjoy the video.
Jay, face to me a bit.
Okay, can you come first with yours? I swear there's someone just standing on the phone. Please try and come through. You haven't come to annoy you, you've only come to make peaceful conversations with you.
Jay,
Can you tell me what I'm holding in my hand? What am I holding? Can you come through clear? What am I holding? If you are trying to turn me louder and clearer. Please. What am I holding? What's this? Teddy bear. I swear that's a teddy bear again. Teddy bear again.
try and face me a bit 'cause I can't hear it. Yeah.
Did you say teddy bear? Can you say it again? Do you have a message you want to give us? Did President Kennedy come here? Can you ask that? My name's Jason.
My name's Stacey. What's your name?
What's your name? I tried to say her name then. Julia.
Yeah.
Don't know if it was Damien.
Could be.
Is your name Damien? You think you can be more clear and come through and say more clear to us? I'm trying, I think.
Yeah, I think that's what I heard. I'm trying.
Well, thank you for trying. Try a bit harder if you can, please. Try and come through clear. You can do it. What am I holding, Spirit? What is this I'm holding? I'm actually sure I said teddy bear. It was a voice and then teddy bear there. What am I holding? Come through really clear. Say it again. Go on. So I'll turn this off. Can you do that for us? Last chance. Do I have to? Do
Yeah.
I have to?
Oh, I don't have
You
to.
don't have to, but it'd be great if you can, please. Just the once. Before I turn it off. So try and say it. As I'm counting down, try and say it. 3, 2, 1. I think it said radio. Instead of teddy bear, it said radio. And I said 1. 1. 1. I'm absolutely sure that said radio. Instead of saying teddy bear that I'm holding, it said the radio. That was good. Well, there's definitely things here, but it's not as active as such, is it? It's not heavily active, do you know what I mean? Comes and goes and in waves, and it's like making itself known. That's it. Okay, Spirit, we're going to go now. We're going to pack up and leave. Thank you for coming forward. Thank you for letting us speak with you, communicating with you. We're going to leave you be in peace. You must stay, you must remain. We hope you find peace. God bless to you. God bless to many of you that have come. I'm sure there's more than one that have come forward tonight. God bless and goodbye. Done. That's a wrap. Is that good?
That's another wrap.
That's a wrap. I think that's it. We'll leave that as that.
You know what to do.
You know what to do. Like and subscribe. I hate saying that word. You know I do, don't you? Because so many people say it on YouTube. See you in the next one, people. Stay spooky. Peace.